What's your favorite meal to cook?
Curry goat.
Yeah, man.
Jerk
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels once more. My name is Tessie Gashon. Kindly for watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, in today's video is about Patois language. Today I want to show you how Patois language is being spoken. Patois language is one of the popular language across now the world, and it's the origin from Jamaica. And I've seen most of people from Jamaicans reggae music speaking Patois language. But in this video, I've seen also the United States speaking Patois language. So kindly guys, let's watch this video until the end, and then I'll come back with more reaction.
them gonna bushing bring me back a goat. Now cook it up.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
What you dep on?
Mulibadom.
No, what you dep on?
I can't say that.
Can you say Medea?
Nadea.
Yeah. Can you say uno bad man?
Ulabadman.
Yeah, okay. That's it for today.
Where you come from?
Me come from Jamaica.
But I'm bomba glad you don't look girl.
Ima me brother.
Me glad to meet you.
Me glad for meet you too. What you make for dinner?
Me no know what to make.
Me hungry.
So me I just go boil some green banana.
But that don't go together.
Who says so?
You want for me help?
Nasa, sit down and rest. Bomba.
Okay, so my uncle's gonna teach me how to speak Patois.
All right. We'll go over there so you know, yeah, man.
You might go over there and say you know, no, man.
All right. That sounds good.
That sound good? Thank you. What's the next word?
All right. We are go too fast with the first one, so we are try the second one. Right now, man, we are go down, so you know see. We are go down there, so you know see it. So.
That's too hard. That was.
Jamaican Patois, the language spoken in Jamaica. What are you doing here? What you do, ya? It is mine. After me. Where are you going? Where you go? Why did you call me? What you call me for? Come back here. Come back here, so. Look here. Look here. See me here. See me here. Look at this. Look on this. My mother. Me mother. My father. Me father. My grandfather. Me grandpa. My girlfriend. Me girlfriend. It is my child. I'm a picnic. The children, they picnic them. He got himself dirty. Him nasty up himself. What a pretty girl. Oh, what?
Jamaican greetings.
Wagwan. How you do? You good? Bless up. Where you going with?
Jamaican goodbyes.
Me a cut. More time, see? We link you. Outer road. Me and you will talk. See? Yeah, me and you will chat later.
How do you call your friends in Jamaican?
Yo! Link up! Linkage!
A new version of the Bible was unveiled today, a Jamaican version. The King James Bible has been translated into Jamaican Patois. The Bible Society of the West Indies believes it'll make the Bible more relevant to the people around the world who speak Jamaican Patois. This is the latest translation of the New Testament. It's the Jamaican New Testament.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
We Father way in heaven. Make people have enough respect for you and your name.
On each page, the King James Version, and opposite, the Jamaican Patois.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors.
Today, give we the food where we need. Pardon we for all the wrong where we do. See them like how we pardon them we do it wrong.
It's been a 20-year project by Reverend Courtney Stewart of the Bible Society of the West Indies to have it translated. He's in Birmingham this weekend, speaking to the city's large West Indian population.
It's critical that we translate the Bible into our native language, Jamaican Patois, Jamaican Creole. because the scriptures make their greatest impact on people when they have it in their mother tongue.
Sometimes what I have to do is look at the English and then look at the written pattern, and then I go, oh, that's how you pronounce it.
It's not the easiest thing in the world to read, and there's a good reason for that. You see, it's an oral language and has been. So for the vast majority of us, it would be quite difficult for us to read because we have never been taught how to read it. So what this translation is going to do is help us to learn to read our own mother tongue.
Later this year, there'll be an app so people can hear and read the patois. Right, there's more of that on our website, itv.com/central. You can compare an English and Jamaican patois version of the same Bible text.
Good afternoon from beautiful rural Portland, Jamaica. May want to introduce myself today because, you know, nothing wrong. Somebody comment on me post that me is a sex tourist, and me just really want to address that. Me understand the stereotype, me see where it comes from, because me see so many women and men, but mostly me see women to come to Jamaica just for use the young boy them, and me not like them something there. Me never like that. So me really learn about Jamaica through the music of Patois, Bob Marley, the Wailers back in the day. In fact, me was at the last concert Bob Marley ever gave in Toronto, Maple Leaf Gardens, before him dead. And really, me could say that reggae music really brought Jamaica to the world. For so many of us, me grew up in Canada, Northern Canada. Me was a teacher, and me come to Jamaica in my 20s and taught school here in Port Antonio, Portland, at Titchfield High School. Me teach art and English. And we still have contact with some of my former students, and even former students who became teachers. Wonderful experience that changed my life. So me always say when me retire, sorry, my dog's a bark now. We have 4 dogs them, we love dog. That's another video. Anyway, me always loved Jamaica for so many years. From what, 1983, me start coming to Jamaica, over 40 years now. Me live at Jamaica, taught school, and retire, became a resident of Jamaica 5 years ago. So 2018, me actually sell everything in Canada and move to Jamaica for me retirement. And me just love the life. Me have a Jamaican husband down here. We get along great, and not really want to live in Canada. We just love our life here. And me, now that me is in my late 60s, me want to make a difference. Me love the culture. Me want to make people all over the world know how beautiful Jamaica is, the culture, the people. And me want to leave a legacy, you know, to really make people understand Patois is a beautiful language, nothing to be ashamed of. To have dark skin is beautiful, nothing to be ashamed of, you know. Me have already raised 3 mixed race children. Me 2 sons, them have a father who's Jamaican, and my daughter's father is from Ghana. So through raising me children, me pick me a Canada, there's a whole heap of racism there, and my art breaks over that. And in Jamaica, there's classism and colorism, so there is a kind of racism here too. And we really see it, and we feel it for the people them, and we want to express them something there, and we want the people who come visit to know how to behave and how to respect the Jamaican people them, and not just use the black bodies for your sexual enjoyment or whatever. That is very disgusting. And me not support them something there at all. Me just want people to do, you know, like as the Rastafari say, like love and respect. There's nothing wrong with getting to know one another and so on, but just have some respect, you know. Me can be me not a grandmother yet, but me could easily be a grandmother to a lot of these boys who try to talk to me in the street, and me just tell them, say, look now, you not talk to your granny like that, so not talk to me. Call me auntie. If you call me auntie or mama, it feel nice, you know. It's like a little respect. Me not really me not want any of that other kind of attention at all. No, sir. So, me really start this TikTok to try to preserve one property called Folly Estate. Is a 8-acre property right on the sea in Port Antonio, and it connected to the Folly ruins. Right in the backyard is Folly ruins. So me will give you some more video about that next time. But right now, me I tell you say that me start the TikTok to try to get out the information to people, to Jamaican people, that they must sell off your country, you know, they must sell off all the beach them, the river them, the nice properties. And Folly Estate Cottage, it's a historic building that still exists, it's still standing, and that property should become a museum for the people of Jamaica and the world and Portland. It shouldn't sell off or give to them politicians' friends and so on and so forth. So that my purpose to start the TikTok, and me say at 2024 me going to learn Patois proper. So me apologize if me not get the words right, but me I try as respect, man, total respect for Jamaican language, Jamaican people, Jamaican culture.
Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you have watched a very powerful language from different people. So kindly for watching this video for the first time, make sure just you subscribe, like, share and comment. It's my pleasure to have you in this channel, and thank you for my returning subscriber who returning back to watch my video. It's not easy to find a somebody who can spend his or her time watching your video. Thank you so much. And kindly, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, and also don't remember to like, share and comment. Hope you have watched a very powerful speeches from different people, and it's surprisingly you have seen the former Vice President of the United States called Kamala Harris also speaking a Patois language. So this language has been very popular among Jamaicans, and I've seen this language also has been recently, it has a verse in the Bible. It even has a Bible that has been written in Patois language, and this language has made Jamaica to be known, Jamaica to be trending across all over the world. I normally heard this Patois language being spoken in reggae musics. Most of those musicians were spoken in Patois language, but now it has come clearly that now everybody can now speak a Patois language. Most of people from United States are speaking this language, which is so interesting because we have only seen this language that were English language. We have seen the German language, we have seen the French language. Those are the popular language that's being spoken across all over the world. But now we have the Patois language, which has been spoken by anybody. I've also seen Chinese also speaking Patois language. So this language is very easy to speak, and when you go to Jamaicans, they normally learn Patois language. A lot of schools, a lot of dictionaries have Patois language. They have made that language has been translated from English to Patois language, which is so interesting and so appreciating. So it was spoken, and people like viewing that language. When you see the moods of people, how they speak that language, it's so interesting to them, and they are really enjoying the the speech. I've also seen even a Donald Trump speak a Patois language, reading a Bible in Patois language. So that language have been used by very prominent leaders, and it's so interesting. And so guys, let me see reaction about Patois language, and I want you to comment this video in a Patois language, because let's make this video a viral, so that our brothers who don't want to speak their languages learn that it's better to appreciate your language. It's better to speak your language. Don't hide any language. When you go to French, they normally spoke their language. When you go to Brazil, they normally spoke their language. Any Chinese, they only, so you must be embraced by your language. But you will feel so embraced when you see your language is being spoken outside your country. Like now, the Patois language is speaking outside the Jamaica, but we know the origin of Patois language is from Jamaica. But because of Jamaica has no any enmities, they love each other, they are united. When their music are all over the world, because when you heard what we call reggae music, its origin from Jamaica. So people starting learning the Patois language, because in recently, as we all know that Jamaica has the most beautiful tourist center, and most of people mostly going to Jamaica for those tourist center. So they want to know this language. When they reach there, they speak the Patois language, because you can find that most of people in Jamaica can start talking in Patois language. So these people, when they want to go to tourist center, they want also to mingle with that language. That's why they are trending across the world speaking this language. But this language is made for Jamaicans, and its origin from Jamaica. And we all know that Jamaica is also from Africa, and so those are the two regions that are friendly. So kindly guys, for watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Bye for now.